Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is the second video about this bike. The first video, if you see or check my YouTube channel, you see how to remove the rear fairing. 5-minute job, simple as. But this video going to be about this tank, carport tank fairing, whatever you call, removal, and the side plastic intake plastic, or the side fairing. I really don't know what you call them, but we're gonna remove this piece in here and this piece in here because you see it's bloody damaged. Right, about this bike is going to be really loads of videos. Every bike I actually do, I got the minimum of 5 videos to 20 videos on a one bike only, and different brands. As you see, my channel is from the Chinese to the best brands to the expensive brands. I got KTMs, I got YZFs, I got R6, and just name it. There's really loads of bikes I'm doing it. Keyways, Alex Moto, can't really remember all of them as well. Aprilias, the KTMs, Yamahas, Suzuki's. Basically loads of videos already up there, and loads of videos will come up about the removal engine, fairings. Basically some bikes are from the just a scratch from the frame to the complete bike. But yeah, let's crack on with this video and removing these two pieces in here. And the tools you will need this Allen key boy in here, and also the screwdriver positive. And yeah, I'm doing this first time, so you're going to see how to remove it. Well, the first step of what I'm going to do, I will remove this fairing first. You got one boy in here, like I said, they use Allen key. Just drop it down, don't lose it, because remember you always have to put the back. You don't want to just to take it off if it's damaged, of course, but you still need screws, bolts and pieces like that. There's another one in here. So we just removed that one. Let's see if it moves already. It does actually move. So, and I find another boy in here on the bottom. If you see in here, just like up there, comes off really easy, so you shouldn't struggle. In case the screwdriver is not strong enough, use it little ratchet or something. Let's have a look. And we got another hidden, because I'm doing this first time, as you see. I don't know myself where they are, but we found one in here, and also we got one in here. Access is not the best, but we'll make it. Oh, come on, boy. Right, I will use the ratchet because my access is not the best. Just use a little boy like that. That's it. Now we can place it. Yeah, that comes off with no struggle whatsoever. Just remove this piece in here, and actually I think it should drop down. Hopefully there is no more screws. Comes off. Oops, there we go. Lovely job done. We got this little plug in here, and that goes to the indicators. Just press this little pin, press it, and just pull it out like that. Easy done. So as you see, the one in here to remove, one on the side, and the two was on the bottom, which is in here. That's the job done. This piece we got off, no problem. So now we're going to crack on with this piece in here. Okay, so we start from this side, from the front. We got one little boy in here. There we go, that one is off. We got also the one little boy in here, the middle, and that's been broken, unfortunately. The piece will be a new one. That's going to be replaced. I reckon actually first of all we get them two boys off. Also we're going to get this little boy off, use the positive screwdriver. It's a pretty big one, so use the biggie. I just undo these little boys around the actually fairing and see if it will come off. I reckon it should. I'm sure it's connected to this plastic in here. Well, let's have a look. I don't want to. Okie dokie, for some reason it's not coming off because I reckon there's a little bolt on the bottom. So I'm just going to place the camera and remove all this left side from here. Let's remove the tank cap, see if this will make any difference to us. Yep, it does it, and it's coming off. Let me place the camera. Ta-da! So you see we got this tank cover off, and this bolt actually goes inside into the frame in here. You see the little hole, so it screws actually inside. What you basically need to do, as soon as you remove both sides, then you just basically take the tank cap off, and it should slowly come off. Don't break it. I mean, left side is broken already, but it should come off. And that's how it looks with no fairings on it. You just place this tank thingy off, make sure the fuel's not coming out. Let's show the fuel pump in here. Yeah, it's nothing complicated. I did struggle with the front because I didn't know actually what I'm looking for, what I'm doing, but as you see, even me first time, it's an easy job done, no problem whatsoever. Of course guys, if you find a little tip for yourself in this video, smash that like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos about this bike. It definitely will come up because I see already so many actually to do with this bike. I want to make this bike brand new again, and yeah, smash that like button and subscribe, and hopefully you get these pieces off with no struggle whatsoever.